Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for managing diabetes. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: snacks for diabetic patients. If you're looking for delicious and healthy snack ideas that won't spike your blood sugar levels, you've come to the right place. Snacking can be a challenge for people with diabetes, but it doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. We're going to show you some mouth-watering options that are both satisfying and diabetes-friendly. First up, we have crunchy veggies and hummus. This combo is packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a nutritious and low-carb choice. The hummus adds a creamy and flavorful element that will keep you coming back for more. Next, we have a simple yet delicious snack: apple slices with almond butter. Apples are high in fiber and low in sugar, making them a fantastic choice for diabetics. Pairing them with almond butter adds healthy fats and protein, which will help keep your blood sugar stable. Another great option is a homemade trail mix. Combine unsalted nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pecans with seeds, such as pumpkin or sunflower seeds. Toss in some sugar-free dried fruits like cranberries or apricots for a touch of sweetness. This snack is satisfying, nutrient-dense, and perfect for on the go. For those hot summer days, a refreshing smoothie can be a great snack. Blend together some spinach or kale, a handful of berries, a scoop of protein powder, and unsweetened almond milk. Not only will this smoothie satisfy your taste buds, but it will also provide a boost of antioxidants and essential nutrients. Moving on, we have a classic favorite: deviled eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, and the healthy fats in the yolk will help keep you full and satisfied. Just be mindful of the mayo and use a light or homemade version to keep the calories in check. Lastly, we have a sweet treat for you: Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and calcium, and the natural sugars in the berries provide a burst of flavor without causing a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. Cinnamon adds a touch of warmth and may even help improve insulin sensitivity. And there you have it, folks. 6 delicious and diabetes-friendly snacks that will satisfy your cravings while keeping your blood sugar in check. Remember, it's essential to monitor your portion sizes and consult with your healthcare provider or registered dietitian for personalized advice. Host, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.